Hari Om Tat Sat. In today's video, you'll find out what's going to happen in the next 1 hour. And it's a timeless reading. Whenever you see it, after 1 hour, see for yourself what changes are coming in your life with respect to career, relationship, or whatever that's going on in your mind. Hari Om Tat Sat. Now stop whatever you're doing right now, because this reading is all about what's going to unfold in the next 1 hour. There are crucial insights which you will have to know, and the powerful energies are trying to converse with you right now and communicate with you and give you immediate future clarity and confidence. So let's see what is your next 1 hour going to be like. Yeah, okay, this is not pick-up eye, so breathe in, breathe out, check with your energies. I'm still going to shuffle more here, not settling for the initial energies. Let's see. Oh, wow, there you go. What's happening? Ooh, woo, woo. This is one good shuffle we have right there. We'll start with the story. The cards are telling one by one, okay? So as you can see here, the first card which I'm choosing to start with is, in the next 1 hour, you're going to see some spiritual growth within you. That's correct. How is the spiritual growth going to happen in 1 hour? It is simply because you have been putting consistent effort, and the spiritual growth is seen so soon right now because of the consistency you showed. The mantras you chanted, the meditations you did. I'm actually seeing you climb a ladder, and some good news is coming your way within the next 1 hour. So gear up for that good news that is coming your way. And I'm also seeing small career change or some good news. Your boss is going to call you and then inform something great, or you're in a project or something you've been trying to manifest. All of it is happening. That is what I'm seeing through this. Also, there is a tree manifestation which is coming up right now. All you'll have to do is, let's say you are undergoing some issue right now and you were sad and this video found you. Then this video found you for a reason, for you to immediately change your energy alignment. So how do you change that? Go to the nearest tree, wherever you are, either office, your campus, your house. A nice, big, huge tree. Go near the tree, touch the tree, and start communicating with the tree. First, introduce yourself to the tree, then ask the tree few questions. To start conversing like it's a real person, because trust me, my friends, tree manifestations have worked beautifully. Even in temples, you see trees, and we consider few gods live in trees, right? So if you believe in all of that, put your hand on the bark and start talking to the tree and tell about the particular issue you're facing right now. And within the next 1 hour, you will see some changes happening, and it will definitely be a positive change. Look at that. I'm telling this, it will be a positive change because 4 of Swords in reverse also we've received. See here, this person has a heartbreak here, tied up, in the nest, comfort zone, all of this I'm seeing. But if it is 4 of Swords in reverse, that simply means good things are coming your way. Your heart is not walking on eggshells here with all of these thorns here. Your heart is actually getting some protection, and you're going to be in a nice safe place. That is also something I see. Next, so love related, some good apology is coming, or you're feeling safe to express yourself. That is also what I'm seeing. 4 of Pentacles indicates that you're trying to protect your money, you're doing a safe investment, and you will receive good benefits of that investment as well. That is also what I'm observing here. And money related manifestation also you've done. That is also what I'm seeing. It's a good positive change you will see. Next, the Judgment card is also here. What does this mean? Number 20 also is here. So 20th of this month or 20th hour from now, some changes are seen with respect to your relationship, majorly marriage, your partnerships, something to do with business also. If you have a partner, something related to only these areas of your life I'm seeing. And I'm also seeing health related, something you're walking away from a situation. You're also making quite good decisions for yourself. You're feeling like really like the boss of your life. Finally, you speak up for yourself. Maybe you will stand up to a bully. That is also what I'm seeing. Like plenty years you are like, okay, I am framing a question or framing a answer, and then you're deleting, then you're again writing it down, you're storing things. finally the things that you want to communicate, you're putting it out to the universe. Whether the person gets it or not, you choose to express and stand up. This is one thing I'm seeing. See, look, she is walking away from the fire, walking away towards the sunlight. That means you're walking towards bright things. You're finally working on yourself. I'm seeing counseling, healing, sound therapy. I see a bowl. I see that bowl and sound healing therapies you're taking, crystal therapy you're taking, some nice relaxation time you're booking for yourself, like a spa, meditation, coaching, all of this you're booking. That is what I'm seeing through the cards, of course. Next, I saw 9 of Pentacles here. Look at that. Something related to birds here. You're a bird person. You have a bird. You have a bird which speaks. Oh my God. Who are you? Can you comment? Do you have a bird which speaks or something? You are into rare exotic birds as well. You like to be around birds. Something, you don't see that happen often, do you? Like, we meet dog person or cat person. That's the major question people ask these days. And you are a bird person. So that is what I'm seeing here. You like greenery. You have these whistle blowers which attract birds. You have a balcony. You feed birds. All of this I'm seeing. That's a nice thing to happen. Yeah, the star card in reverse indicates that you are now seeing some caution. Something is going to happen suddenly in your life, and how you converse or what words you use, or some small here and there give and take of our heated argument is going to happen. Besides, you will also see at the end of the evening some changes as well, which is positive towards this. Yeah. Next, let's see. Oh, wow. 6 of Wands. So this also indicates that there is something that you started. There's a puja, homa, havan. Something is happening with respect to your God. God-related puja. You're thinking about it. You're traveling to a temple and you're receiving some good news after that. This is also seen. Let's see more. 5 of Cups is here, Knight of Pentacles is here. Okay, Knight of Pentacles indicate that if you are waiting for an alliance, quick changes are happening. You might get a call from this person, text from this person. Oh my God. Tell you what, I'm seeing, I think you manifested a call or message from the person you love and admire, and that person is calling you, texting you, and it is mostly masculine energy that I'm seeing. So he's going to call you. Okay, and if it is a feminine energy here, definitely it's possible. The messages are going to come. Somebody is going to express themselves to you over a huge message. I'm seeing someone's writing a very huge message, celebrating who you are. They're going to write everything they feel about you, a letter, message, something they're writing for you, and they will give it to you, and you are going to receive that news shortly, and you will be very happy with that, because that person has written a paragraph about the love they have for you. So that's nice. Next, Page of Cups. Your money-wise, shopaholic, some addiction or some pattern I'm seeing which is not in your best interest. So that way you will feel sad about the money that you're losing because of the wrong decisions that you're making. So within few hours, especially 1 hour, you're going to see that you need to change, introspect where your money is going, how to spend the money, have a discipline in money. Okay, that is also what I'm seeing, which is very important lesson to learn. Because of course you have to spend like you're abundant, but also you need to know your limits. I think we all learn, right? So that's a message. 7 of Cups, and the Lovers card has popped up here. So you look at that. That's a snake, and you are still thinking some decision you're about to make, and whatever decision you make, like whatever you pick, it might be a lucky choice there, but there are snakes in your life, so you have to be careful who you share your happiness with or joy with, because there is an evil eye or jealous eye that can make you feel fatigued, sick, sad, dull suddenly. That also is one of the energies that I see. Lovers card, like I said, 6 double 6 numbers, 6 and 7 also in sequence. So all of these repeat numbers are indicating that love related or passion related, whatever you're starting, it is going to be the best decision of your life. If you're planning on marriage, and if today was the date to confirm the alliance, then go do it. The cards are very promising right now. And if you were in doubt, I think pretty much within an hour, you're getting clearance for all your doubts. Well, this is a very too many mixed emotions reading, and I'm picking up something really like I'm picking up some bright changes for you, some car related. You're sitting in the car watching this. That's also what I'm seeing. Water, I'm seeing you're drinking water. You're a doctor. You have your schedules or shifts, and you're tired of life. You're studying forever, studying. Then I also see Knight of Swords, Page of Swords. So swords I'm seeing, but it is not a caution that I'm seeing. I'm seeing success with respect to government related. If there was a result announcement within the next few hours, you're going to receive some positive sign towards that. Some job related, if you had paid some lump sum amount for getting a good seat, or somewhere you have invested related to study, it's all coming back to you. That investment is coming back to you. Job related mails are coming where you're promoted, or there is a hike, or you've received a IJP, internal job posting, something you had applied and you're studying for it. That is also going to be a success. Your car and motorbike, so some vehicle also you're purchasing today. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch it within 1 hour, you're going to see yourself aligned with the positive changes that I'm seeing here. For sure it's going to happen. So believe 100%. Don't fight it. Again and again I'm getting all areas of your life, but money wise I'm still seeing you need discipline. You saw it from the beginning. I'm seeing money related. You're going to make bad decisions, and then you're going to receive something which is not the most ideal situation for you. So you're going to trust the wrong person. So if you're just going to do a deal with respect to money, now might not be the best time to do it. So you might want to introspect and see, do you really want to head out to do that investment wherever you have planned, because you might involve in yourself in a situation of loss. That is what I can see with respect to money here, especially. Rest of the things like job, career, love, I'm seeing good positive changes coming towards you. Now look at that. If you invest your money in the wrong things, or if you are planning to get short fixes for things, success shortcuts. Okay, let me tell you this way. I'm seeing that if at all in your life you're taking shortcuts for success, you're going to reach a position where you will not be able to explain yourself to the family members. You're seeking small instant gratifications, and that's not I'm not saying whatever you're doing is right or wrong. I'm just saying the consequence of that action is going to be huge, and you wouldn't want that for yourself or your family members. So you're going to put someone in a position of wrongdoings. Right? So make sure you invest carefully, as well as once you do all of these precautions, I'm seeing this decision of not going ahead with something which looks fishy, as in not trusting your gut. That condition, now if you trust your gut and go ahead with your gut, look at that, you're making money, you're fertile, the pregnancy related, marriage related, whatever you were expecting is going to happen, and it's all positive. So claim all the positive readings here, and trust me, 100% whatever I've told will come true. Believe in it 100%, and then comment. Thank you. Namaste.